Charlie, it's 2023 and I just wanted to jump on here and thank you for watching my videos and ask if you could like, subscribe and share our content, our YouTube page, our social media, and have a lovely day. Hey kids, come on. Don't fall. Come on, babies. Everyone's happy to be out of that bloody house. Don't be mean. Come on, guys. It's first thing in the morning. Don't bully them. Hey, babies. Let's get some breakfast. So I've spent the first half an hour of my morning fighting off Pickles. Pickles keeps trying to come and attack the babies, and he's pinning them down with his bill and hurting them. And I'd really like it, Pickles, if I could go and have my morning coffee and not worry about the babies. It's like it takes him 40 minutes an hour to readjust. Oh my God, there's babies, you know? Like yesterday, by the afternoon, they were absolutely fine together. So I think it's just it's probably from spending the night actually in that the outhouse. They get very stressed out, I think, together. But they've got to deal with it. Look, Dave and Delilah, I mean, if they can be nice to all of these ducks, then I'm sure these three assholes can be nice to these three assholes. Because these assholes are starting to be assholes. Like these guys. So I'm just raising a bunch of assholes. Ducky assholes. Yeah, you're ducking assholes, aren't you? But they're cute assholes. Hey! Badgers, you can see this whole thing's risen. Where they've gone that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, all the way along here. And then they've come out of these little holes. Look! Little bits. Ruining my bloody grass. It's just so lumpy. Lumpy. Let's see if there's any damage today. Oh, thank God, it's the same as yesterday. Actually, I take it back. We are one more down. So that's 1, 2, 3. Other than that, we're not doing too bad. They're getting nice and tall. They're probably up to my, right here. He's got such delicate skin on the end of his nose because of wearing the muzzle for so many years. And Miley's just got scars, but yeah, Boss has got such a delicate nose, you could just poke it and it will bleed. You shouldn't use your nose to bury things. Hey, use your feet to rebury it. What do you want? What should we do today? Should we go for a run around the garden? Jack, you're an asshole. Babies, come back. Callie gets so protective when they fight each other. You get upset, don't you? I love how these two play fight. It's so cute. Look. Go on, keep going, guys. It's so cute. Oh, babies, go and enjoy your breakfast. I don't understand these ducks, yeah? They get beats every day from these guys, but they want to be around these guys every day. You're ducking lunatics! Like my little bouquet I made for my sister-in-law. She's having a baby. Stop eating the duck's food. Duckies! Little happy family after they spent the night outside. I couldn't for the life of me get them in yesterday. 3 hours I was trying to get them out of the pond. So I had to sleep with the door open last night. Been bitten thousands of times by mosquitoes, but at least no foxes came to the garden. Happy babies. Kelly, that's not for you, honey. Scratchy bum, Leo, scratchy bum. Look at that wacky tail. Helicopter-dale. So funny seeing their pecking order. Dave and Delilah are boss, then those three, and then these three. Cute. Hey, you guys are cute. Going back inside. Get back in the pond. Okay, so I'm getting really impatient. Like, I just want to pull one. Like, if I just pull one, then it won't be so bad. What is that? Like, what is that thing? What is that? Like, what is happening? So there's you guys thinking Charlie's some, like, new age gardener. These are my carrots. You've got a slug one, you've got like a proper bent one, and then I'm cracking myself up today. Like, what is this? What is this? What is this? Like, what the f*** is this? I want to pull more, but obviously they've got like months left of growth, but I just want a good one. Like, I want that feeling when you pull out a long carrot and it's like proper long carrot. Not these f***ers. Let's give these to the bunnies. The bunnies will like these. Bunnies! What we got? Yummy. You can have that one. There we go. You can have this one. Bring it in there. That's it. We like our carrot greens, don't we, Khaleesi? Yummy, yummy, guys. So, I think Dave has finally taken the babies back. You being nice, Dave and Delilah? Hey, Mama's looking after the babies. Say good morning. Morning. Little hatchlings. Hey, little ones. Are you hungry? Mummy's just left. I saw her. So she's going to get you food. I've left you water there and some food for Mummy. So tonight I finally managed to get everyone in. I lured them in with tomatoes. This time I didn't feed them all morning. Dave! Come on, Dave! Delilah! There's nothing in there, guys. These three are not impressed. They want to go outside because it's still daylight. But it's like 7 o'clock. Come on, guys. I was trying to get you in till 11 o'clock last night. I had the worst night's sleep, literally. I was so worried about them all. Because not only did these guys not come in last night from the pond, these guys were following them, so I had all babies out. It was awful. Hey, guys, you have me worried. What are you doing to my laces? Of course it's pickles. Jack, you're going to come and sit with me? Because you know it's that time of the day. It's cuddle time. Is that why you're lingering? Is that why you're lingering? You want snuggles? Callie, what are you doing? Oh, you're playing with Hugo. Are you hiding? Who are you? It's your worse. Miserable. Miserable, isn't he, Lou? Big yawn. Big yawn. Guys are getting so fluffy and big. No, Leo, you can't come in. Stop eating poo. Oh, it's disgusting. Stop rolling in it too, you gross little. Oh, you licked me. Yucky, yucky. Get off. That's disgusting. Eating poo, you poo eating. Hello, Mr. Broadbean. Nice dirty hands. But look at this whopper. Kelly, come see. Kelly, look. Come. Look at this one. Big, isn't it? Go see the baby birdie. Where's the birdies? The birdies, Callie. So we've got 4. Morning! Oh my god, you're so cute! They think their mummy's here. I'm not your mama. Your mummy's gone to look for food for you. Oh, hello. guys hungry? I can't let you in there. The bunnies are out. They will literally like kill you, 100%. No doubt about it. Jack, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? Jack, Jack, I'm here. Come here, please. Oh, Macy, that's not your name. Look at all the white animals. Macy, is that your family? Can we get a picture? So I had these spare cabbage plants that had come from seed. I had nowhere to put them, so I've just shoved them here with some extra compost, and I'm going to give them to the bunnies when they grow, so it doesn't matter if pests get, or the ducks might eat them as they go, but at least there's somewhere for them underneath the fig tree. Hey Macy, do you like them, Mace? Having a drink out of the watering hole, Mace? Lulu, pretty girl. Lulu. Hey little babies. Are you guys chilling? Is it nice? Where's Dave? Oh, there they are. Dave and Delilah are over there. Hey guys. Hey. You guys are so cute together. Don't be mean. Nice worms. They're yummy, yummy. Be nice. You're so quick, Pickles. Come on, kitties. You guys just make me smile. Hey. Pickles, you're such an... Worms and lettuce. Guys, come round, you idiots. Sometimes I do wonder about you lot. There you go. I'm going round. This way. That's it. Come on. This way. Come here. There you go. And then you go in. Come on. There you go. Come on, Jack, you silly boy. Oh, he's so sweet. Here, baby boy. Here you go, darling. My little boy. Hey, everyone bullies you, don't they? They leave you out. I never leave you out, Jack. Nice, yum yum. You gone? You gone? You right, boss? What are you doing, you two? Having a mother's meeting? Hey, you having a little meeting? Let's go see what they're talking about. What are you two chatting about? Hey? Ah, I see. Marley's chewing the bone and Boss is saying, please can I share? Look, there's two more here. Have those. I think I'm going to be picking my gooseberries today. I might leave a few of them a bit longer, but they look like they're doing good. Raspberries, they suck at the moment. So they're like tiny, but tasty, yum. Yum. Lulu, why are you always shouting at me? Like, guys, I can't work out if Pickles is a boy or girl. He makes sometimes quacking noises, but like other times hissing noises. I just don't know. I know Lulu's definitely a girl. And I know Jack is definitely a boy. But Pickles, I think you're just a weird one. Pickles is a weirdo.